sneakers come with a dope bag, tons of accessories, including shoelaces. This is why I'm calling the BAPE Adidas Forum 30-year anniversary the sleeper sneaker of the year. And I got them for $110. You want to know where? I'll tell you after the B-roll. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today I'm doing a review in 4K on the BAPE Adidas Forum 84s, the 30-year anniversary. And I told you in the beginning of the video, I think this is like the sleeper sneaker of the year. If not one, definitely top three. But that happens when BAPE and Adidas get together. Last week, BAPE and Adidas dropped. And it was some dope pieces, but the price be out of control. Like, the pants was $250, and BAPE is usually up there in price, but that was a lot, man. But I wound up getting the pants. I needed the pants to go with these bad boys here. So I told you in the beginning of the video, I paid $110 US for this sneaker, and I got it from Sneakers and Stuff. Sneakers and Stuff has a sale right now. These were sitting, I think, $160. You put the coupon code in, it's $110. It wasn't even a coupon code, it's just a sale. So you can pause this video right now, go to Sneakers and Stuff, and grab these. They even got the blue ones too. I'm not sure if the blue one's on sale, but these are definitely on sale. You see it, 30-year anniversary. So yeah, man, let's get into a full in-depth video of this right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So in a nice box. And when I say nice box, you get that 4U aluminum Adidas logo on the top. You even feel it when you touch it. Looks like Christmas, but it's not red and green. That goes all through the box to the side. And on one side, you got the Adidas original logo with the BAPE head logo. You see the stripes there again. On the front of the box, you got the Adidas logo with the BAPE star logo there, all in that aluminum. The other side, same as the other side, Adidas original with the BAPE logo. And boom. There you got your tags and another BAPE star logo with another Adidas original logo. And it reads Forum 84 BAPE Low. The colors is in either French, I don't know, but I can make out white and subcoat. I guess that's the camo color. Open up the lid. I'm sorry guys, and you got the BAPE camo all through the box too. On the front of the lid, or the inside of the box, you got the 30-year anniversary logo with the BAPE head going as a 0. Very dope, man. It looks gold. Might be silver, but it looks gold. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. And what I really liked about it is that each sneaker comes individually wrapped. So you got your Adidas logo in gold. And then you got your BAPE camo logo in silver. You get a dope camo blue camouflage bag. And it's crazy because when I first got the sneakers and the box was blue, then I opened it. And the first thing I seen was a blue book bag. I said, did I get the blue colorway? But I did get the original camo colorway. It's just all accessories with blue. Under the bag, you get 2 envelopes. One envelope has the camouflage shoelaces. These ones I'm definitely going on. I know it's a lot of camouflage in the sneaker, but I'm definitely throwing these on. And I didn't look in the other envelope, guys. The other envelope, you just get some flat green laces. So definitely running with this one, right? Here's a 360 view of the ADIDAS BAPE Forum 84 30-year anniversary. Now, I'm going to be honest. When they first came out, I wasn't copping because I really don't like sneakers with straps. I don't really play basketball like I used to, so that threw me off. But in hand, guys, I like it. I really like it. But let's start with the jury. Boom. You got the 30-year anniversary in a nice gold solid locks. Looks just like the Supreme Ramalzi joints I showed y'all. But this is more 3D printed. Is out more. Is a little lighter than that Supreme one, but definitely bigger. So you got your BAPE head counting as the 0 again. Very dope. It comes in white shoelaces. That's why I told you I'm definitely switching those out for the camo joints. Toe box, Forum 84 OG. Nothing changed here. It's starting to look like that eBay Sandy Bodecker dunk right here with the small shoe box. But you got a thick green leather covering up most of the toe box. Around the toe box, you get that classic BAPE camo look, man, in fine leather. Fine leather. That's probably why Adidas be charging so much for their BAPE. But after you get through there, you got a thick insole here. White. It looks a little off-white in some aspects, but to me, it is like a vintage cream look more than it is white. Adidas logo there, OG style. Coming the inside, you get that little netting there. I really don't understand why sneakers do that. I think it's just a design look because I don't see how technology look this does anything, but I like it. On top of that, you got your forest green. This is a dope sneaker, man. Creeps hair, hard plastic, very good material, and that goes all the way around the shoe to the mid of the other side. Right here, your three stripes, the Adidas logo, and it looks to me like it's black, but it's more of a dark green, forest green, but it is OG, man, with the 3 stripes in there also. Inside is even camouflage with a gold BAPE. Very dope. Let's get to the strap, guys. So your strap here is also in that camo, and it is leather. Velcro look like the 90s and the late 80s. Let's take this out. You got a green hit there to match the sneaker. Nice tongue, man. The tongue is mixed of leather and mesh in the back. They got a 30th anniversary logo again in gold. White tongue. The back has the Adidas logo in gold with the mesh white in the back. And while we in the back, we might as well just check out the back also. This little white spot here reminds me of the Adidas 3 logo there. That's only on the outer. The inner is all camo, guys. All camo. And there here you got another gold bathing nape head there to kind of blend in with the whole sneaker. Bottom, I like this, man. Grip for days, man. You got a dark green bottom, nice lime, not lime, but lighter green creeps in here like a leaf green. Then you got a white Adidas logo there in the middle, and then that creeps back in again. This is a dope shoe, guys. Here's the left shoe here. So the inside of the left shoe has a gold Adidas logo, as the other one had the BAPE. But besides that, everything else adds up. You got the Adidas logo on the strap itself. Yeah, the same 30-year anniversary joint. So everything is adding up from right to left. Nothing's changed but the soles. Oh, it says Adidas here. Let me show y'all. So your left shoe got the Adidas logo. Your right shoe got the BAPE logo head. And the inside does the same thing for both. BAPE, Adidas. So that's the only difference from right to left, guys. But fire shoe. Yes, sir, man. So this is a steal and deal. If you go to sneaker stuff, you probably paused the video and went to sneakers and stuff. But if you didn't find your size, hit me in the comment section below, because I think in clothing, and there's a couple of more websites I wrote down that had these sneakers for that $150 price tag. If you're looking to resell, you ain't gonna get much. StockX and GOAT, they're like $10 under retail. But if you want this sneaker for the foot and don't want to go to StockX, because after StockX, once you get to that third page, $130 then turns into $1,486. I remember the days when StockX didn't charge tax, man. But that's neither here nor there. Sneakers and stuff have them. If you can't get your size, hit me in the comments. We'll try to get them. Let me know in the comment section below also why y'all think these flop. Well, not, I guess we could say flop. That sounds like a harsh word. But Bape and Adidas just don't do well anymore. Last year, I think it was a shell toe Bape 5 different times, and I just couldn't find an outfit to really rock with it, so I got rid of them 5 times. But these ones are definitely staying in the collection, and I just want to know how y'all feel about these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.